what's up there, groovy people? This is Granny Hayes.
And I'm Nana King.
And together we make up two Rocking Grannies.
Yes, we do, babies. Well, Granny Hayes, today we got something new on the channel.
Yeah.
New to me completely, too. I don't know about you, but I've never heard of this band called Brand of Sacrifice.
Yeah.
But I'm anxious to hear something new. The name of the song is called Animal. And that's all I got on it. Now, you can let us know, guys, what you know about them. You know, we always appreciate that. But yeah, something new to us.
Okay, and every time she says that, I think of my little granddaughter because she's 7, and she'll go, "I try something new."
So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna try something new. Yes. Actually, we've been trying to get to this band for like 6 months.
Yes.
You know, but like I say, it's a process, and everything takes time.
Yes.
And so we're finally here.
Life just gets in the way.
Yes.
But if you haven't subscribed yet, we're hoping you'll hit that button and become one of the Granny Squad.
Please hit that like button, baby. Don't forget that. That's important to us.
Yes, it is. But we're going to jump right into it now.
Yes, can't hardly wait. Brand of Sacrifice. It's called Animal.
Okay. So that was 2 singers?
What was that?
Was that 2 singers?
I think so. I'm not sure.
Okay.
It surprised me so much.
Yeah.
Yes. I think there is.
His voice is amazing.
Yes.
That is just...
Yes, it's such a deep growl.
God.
You know, I don't know how to...
I would just like to meet him, but he'd have to do that for me. Because I just can't...
Say, just give me a little bit. Yeah. Say, hi, how the hell are you? You know? Yeah. Because, it's not just that growling, it's the depth that he can go to. Really. Reminds me of somebody. Is it Alex, the deepest?
What's that?
I said it reminds me of something. You think it's Alex, the deepest of his voice?
Maybe. It is pretty deep.
Yeah.
He was prettier.
Yeah, he's pretty too.
You guys would just have to understand, I've been a licensed stylist since the 80s.
Forever.
And so that's why I notice pretty.
Yeah.
And all that pretty hair.
She always sees all the aesthetic of the, the video.
Even when we're like, you're waiting in a movie and the people around you, it's like, oh, so that's why I do that, if you ever wondered. That's amazing. I do think right now boy, this will get me up moving.
Well, we've seen several Asian bands, Baby Metal, Bandmade, Love Bites. But I've never seen an Asian band that does this style with the growling.
Are they all Asian?
I don't know.
I don't know.
I don't think he is.
Well, it doesn't matter. Most of them are.
See, I don't know.
Yeah.
I'm so enthralled in this.
It's just, they're very good.
Yes.
They're very, very good.
It's
there is a lot going on.
Like Queen.
Yeah. There's so much going on. I don't know what to look at. Well, I definitely have to watch that again.
That was great, though.
That was really
That
good.
was. But like you said, there's so much going on. Just
Yeah.
so much going on.
It just gets your heart going. You
Uh-huh.
know, it was
But
amazing.
first listen, first viewing, I think it was really good.
Oh, I do too.
Yeah,
Yeah, there was a whole lot to that, boy. Jeez. Well, what you guys think?
Yeah, they're pretty amazing. What do you know about this band? I'm sure
Yeah.
a lot of you out there know them already.
Yeah. Boy,
Just
that
let
was
us know.
that was pretty darn good.
I liked it. I thought it was
I
pretty
did
awesome.
too. I'm going to watch it again, and I like to watch it and back it up and all that. You got to understand, we don't know how to do all that. That's why
Yeah.
we don't do it for you. I know a lot of reactors will go, well, let's go to the I don't know
This up and,
this frame
yeah.
and like that.
I'm like, nah, I gotta watch the whole thing.
Yeah, yeah. So
Yeah.
we have to react to it. Excuse me, jeez. So excited to burp. Well, I hope you enjoyed, not the burp, but enjoyed the video. And if you haven't hit that subscribe button, we hope you will. That still really doesn't happen to me. But
And also, don't forget that like button. You know I'm
Yeah.
going to tell you.
yeah, it's crazy. Anyway, we hope that you will analyze before you criticize. We hope that you'll be kind to each other. And if you can, just say a quick little prayer for this crazy world.
Please do.
Peace out.
Love
Till
you,
next
babies.
time.
Hey, thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel.
And don't forget to follow us on social media. Links are in the description. Peace out.